Hello, let's draw a super clear breath makeup today and dip it after moisturizing. Salmon color to cover the dark circles under the eyes and dip it in. Dot green to cover the redness of the nose, and light skin tone to apply to the face. Then spread the foundation from the inside out. I only use one pump, which can basically cover the whole face. First, pat the outside open. Then go to the auction. After dipping the light skin tone, dizzy it on your hands, lift it high, and then press it on the edge of the tear groove line, gently smudged around because of the ointment on the brush. The body's very small, so you can add another layer of tears. After the groove line is covered, brighten and wipe the nasolabial folds, and wait a few minutes for the concealer to scratch the face. In the future, use an ivory highlight to give the noodles here. Set fake makeup, pat the baseline of the eyelids open, and then set makeup for the whole face. Just gently bring it over here with a fluffy brush bring out a double C from the eye socket down here, and then draw a V on the nose with a small brush. Connect it below, and then bring the overall droplet-shaped residual powder upward, up to the bridge of the nose. The eye socket line goes from the direction of grooming to faint, and then sweeps the nose in the middle, and the bridge of the nose 30,000 in a small area to sweep away the residual powder. Diagonal light blush point horizontally in the face at the back of the nose here. Spread the color with a small brush, and then put the color block. Go sweep it off and dip it in a little lotus root pink to deepen the lower nose and go according to the beginning of the facelift. Just go to the painting. It smudges in a small area, and then highlights the highlights of the nose and the mountains. The root eye goes down the middle. By the way, take the tear groove with light pink and spread it on the eyelids in a large area. Remaining powder puts the end of the eye diagonally upward with agio saliva from. Go back and front to lay the color, and then use a small one with thickness. The brush is dark brown and points out at the base of the eyelashes, filling up to the end of the eye. The double eyelid sticker is pressed into the folds of the double eyelid and raised flat behind it. The overall shape of the end of the eye is not used too wide and then used just. The only dark brown is flattened, pulled out, and the overall shape of the end of the eye is filled in little by little. Go after curling your eyelashes. Paste an arc, stick the first two places under your own eyelashes, and dip the glue in it. Shave your own eyelashes and stick them with the eyelashes after the glue is semi-dry. The same is true for the second group. The last one sticks to the top of my eyelashes, and my head starts to sag down to about 1 millimeter away from the root of the eyelashes, from back to front and then to back. After connecting to the eyeliner, then fill in the eyelids here. Solid dark brown wraps the eye here. Then use gray brown to tick the shape of agio sal. The hole is narrower, and the back is connected to the bottom to the deep one. Click on the color to trace the lower edge of the agio sal, and just to highlight the first half of the agio sal, dip a little more sequins in agio saliva. Brush the overall color of the eyebrows before and after, and then draw the eyebrow hair through. The length of the tail of the eyebrow exceeds a little eyeliner, and then put it. The eyebrow peak is outlined. Brighten the lower eyebrow bone, and cover the lip color. In the future, use powder to press a layer, and then use lip pink to outline the shape of the nest with your hands. Point to faint the shadow of the lower lip, and outline the corner of the mouth. Start with a peach base and spread the color along the lip shape. Then use the brush to faint the edge. Open the remaining powder on the brush and sweep the lip peak here, and then use a rose. Pink is stacked on the inside of the upper and lower lips. Use the brush too over the edge. Each student chose one with pink highlights and overall makeup. It matches my clear feeling, and it will taste right. I feel that the blush is a little light, so I folded it again. A gray-pink pearlescent highlight stacked on the nose mountain, roots, and then randomly click a few moles, and this makeup look is complete.